guys, so we are making pancake first. Made this. And guys, this is the flour. We need some eggs, so we crack this open. Guys, this is how you do it. Get like this much of half of water. Like how much is this? And this is looks like enough. When it's like not like this anymore, like wait, like it's like this. Ask your mom or parents. Like this, guys. See, guys, it's like this smooth. Like this took like 2 minutes until it looks like this. See. This so soft. Just do not do this at home. You need your baby help. You need to let this on. You need margarine if you're in the Philippines. Guys, we need some margarine.
Sayang kayong gasol.
Kani sa TV ibutang ni Dewi kay mapasukan ko. Anak ba?
Dili Ayo ko ani kay mo gahit na.
And like this, guys, is this. Like if you want so many pancakes, you could make how many you want.
May ana ila kadagko Katong dagko kay sayang kalayo. Hello. No?
A lot of bubbles like this. Here's a little This is like this. Sorry, I didn't video the flip. So we could flip like this. We get this. Like this. Good thing it's not gonna burn. You should like that. And that like
Hindi mo siya ani Hindi mo siya pancake. Gade ro man. Mix ra man ani mo. Ako mo gud siya kay ready na man gud na. Itlog harina.
Like this. You can buy this from Pure Gold. This is nice. You should make big for your mom and dad. These are almost done. The syrup is in there.